isolation and manipulation of desired genetic material to make a hybrid DNA or chimeric DNA molecule. So rDNA technology involves isolation and manipulation of desired genetic material to make a hybrid DNA or chimeric molecule. So we are manipulating. Manipulating means we are controlling it actually. So by using this rDNA technology, we are isolating a gene and we are manipulating the gene. Manipulating means we are actually deciding the gene fate. We are controlling the gene function. So that is why I am using a word called manipulation. So rDNA technology involves first isolation of genes, then manipulation of the desired genetic material to make a hybrid DNA or chimeric molecule. This is what we are doing actually in the recombinant DNA technology. So this technology, rDNA technology, is transfer of genetic information from one species to another species. So it is the transfer of genetic information from one species to another species. So by doing a recombinant DNA technology and producing a hybrid DNA, what actually we are doing? We are transferring the genetic information which is present in humans to bacteria. So we are transferring the genetic information from one species to another species. So naturally, it occurs in vivo during gene recombinations. When this happens, this happens in living organisms during gene recombinations. Gene recombinations. You must have studied the mitosis, meiosis during the cell division. So in cell division, you know that there are different phases like prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So during these phases, mitosis, there is a crossing over of the chromosomes takes place. Or in meiosis also, especially in meiosis, there are two divisions are there. Meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So meiosis 1 is actually equal to mitosis 1, whereas meiosis 2 is where the reduction of chromosome number is taking place, by which you are getting haploid number. So during this, what happens, these haploid gametes, when they are going to fuse during fertilization, the chromosomes, they undergo recombinations, genetic recombinations, chromatid recombinations will take place. So the actual recombinant DNA technology which we are using in the laboratory is actually taking place in living organism also. But when it is taking place? It is taking place during gene recombinations. Recombinations can happen during cell division. So naturally also this recombination of genes takes place, but it takes place within the same species. Now in rDNA technology, we are doing the same, that is transfer of genetic information from one species to another species we are doing. So that is why this recombinant DNA technology is